What is up, guys? I'm back again. Today is going to be a little bit of a different video. We're actually going to be working on a customer's vehicle today. So this customer has been to me before for some repair just to get his truck running, but he did have this old transmission leak, which he told me it was leaking from the rear tail shaft. So we're going to take a look at that, but let me show you what we're working with today. This is a 1993 Chevy 1500 OBS truck. So let's take a look at it. All right, guys, as you can see, this is his OBS. It's an older build. Pretty clean. So let's quit wasting time. Let's get to it. All right, guys, the first thing that has to come out is the drive shaft in order for us to get out that transmission shaft seal. So quick. Okay, so now that these are loose, we just got to put the truck in neutral and we can pop this drive shaft out. Alright, drive shaft's out. We got to get a towel underneath there. Okay, guys, so we have a towel underneath there just to catch anything that drips out. Okay, so we're going to be taking care of this seal. We got to pop this out. There it is. That's a seal. Okay, guys, we got two seals to choose from. It's obviously not this one, but part number there. I think that's the one. All right, guys, I believe this is the one. Here is your part number. It's a National Seal 4583. And this is the one we're going with. Obviously, this one's going to be returned. Okay, guys, real quick, I'll show you how to make a tool I like to use for these. So these are all wood hole saws. So you just got to find the right diameter. Looks like it'll work. Alright, guys, real quick, I'm just going to drill a hole through this. little tool. All right, guys, it's getting kind of dark here. Just have to make dishes cleaned off. Now we get our tool. Okay, all we're gonna do is line up our marks. Alright guys, remember these go down, get torqued down to 22 foot-pounds. Alright, it's 22. All right guys, we're here at Brandon's house. I'm dropping off the OBS. A little bit dark out here, but it's all wrapped up, all done for tonight. I know it's dark out here. Let me see, this is Brandon. Brandon, you could get him at what's your Instagram, bro?
_high.def.
_high.def. Make sure you hit him up. HIGH.
.def.
There you are. You can hit him up for any Volkswagen needs, man. Give me a little tour of your shop, man.
Well, we pretty much do anything Volkswagen related. We built this car from the ground up here. I do anything suspension, brakes, wheels. We have a chassis on the floor over here that we're gonna do a full restoration on. So that's kind of.
It's a little bit dark. Let's see.
Full restoration on. So this one here gonna be replacing all the floors on, cutting the floors, powder coating it, building the air ride beam, Wilwood disc brakes, wheels, tires, motor, trans, anything related to Volkswagen, you know, we could do. So anything you need, you know, hit me up.
Make sure you hit him up.
Yeah.
What's up with this truck, man?
I just actually picked it up, man.
What is it?
2001 Ford Lightning.
Is it for sale?
Yeah, it's actually for sale. It's on offer up right now.
How much?
I'm asking 15 for it, or best offer.
Or best offer.
But yeah, I just picked it up last week. Fun truck, man, lots of power. But
all stock?
All stock. But I'm a Chevy guy. So I just couldn't pass it up, man. Kind of fell in my lap. So
can't pass up those good deals, right?
Yeah, for sure. But yeah, find it on offer interested in it, let me know. Shoot me a
It's a 2001?
2001. Like I said, all stock. Clean interior. Sounds good. Runs good. Like I said, lots of power.
How many miles?
144,000.
Original miles.
Original miles. Like I said, for the most part, untouched.
Untouched. You got some All-Star 5-spoke wheels.
Yeah.
Got some drag radials in the rear.
Semi-slicks in the rear.
15 by 17 all the way around.
17, yeah, 15 by 17.
15 by 17 in the rear, and then you got probably like a 6.5, 17 in the front.
Well, like I said, it's a fun truck, but I'm a VW and a Chevy guy, so gotta get rid of it, you know.
All right, guys, there it is. That's gonna be it for this one. All right, guys, I'm back home now. Sorry about the lighting; it was a bit dark there at Brandon's house, but definitely hit him up for any of your Volkswagen needs. I'll put a link somewhere down here for his Instagram. It's _HEIGH.DEF. Make sure you hit him up for anything Volkswagen related, performance, airbagging, restoration. He does it all basically, and does it all in-house. So make sure you hit him up on that. He also has that pretty sweet looking Lightning. If anyone's interested, I'm not a Ford guy myself, but if anyone is, go ahead and make sure you hit him up. It is on OfferUp and it will go quick. But a quick recap on today's video. We replaced his rear tail shaft seal out of his OBS. We also made a kind of like a ghetto rig tool to install it as well, because I didn't have one. But we made do with what we had. So as always, guys, make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe. Also hit the bell for notifications. If you're not already getting notified, you will be when our new videos get uploaded. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you shortly on the next one.